Dr. Paromita Basu from Key Art and Design. So UCEED and CEED forms have also come out. It came on 1st October, but as you know, I'm a Bengali and I was very busy with Durga Puja and now it is finished. So I thought I will make the video now for the students who are appearing for UCEED and CEED. So what is UCEED and what is CEED? All these things also we will discuss. Now firstly, what is the date of, you have to fill the form and what is the last date. So first of all, don't wait for the last date. So as you know, it is started from 1st October and it will end on 31st October. That is the last date without the late fees. But if you miss till then it will go till 7th October with the late fees. Then why you are waiting? Just fill it now, because don't wait for the last minute. Because sometimes I've seen, the last minute time, what happens then everybody starts filling the forms on the last day and the website gets hanged, and there are many people, they complain with that ma'am that it is not working or it is not opening. So why are you waiting for last day? Just fill it just now. In 2-3 days, just collect all of your documents which is required for UCEED and CEED and then fill the form. Of course, NID forms have also come out. Don't wait for that also for last day. Just fill it very fast. So when is the exam? The exam is on 18th January. Now, if you calculate from today, it's almost like 3 months also not left, Start your crash course, which I am running. We have started our 3 months crash course. Just join us as soon as possible. You can WhatsApp me if you want to join my crash course. You can join offline, online, both. Offline, we are only in Delhi GK2, and online you can join from anywhere. The most important thing is I teach myself. So if you want my experience of 23 years old experience, and I'm PhD in fine art, and which is a long experience. So my students have gone all over world and Indian all colleges, and every time they crack it very nicely. So what are you waiting for? Just WhatsApp me in my number, and you have to just ask me, ma'am, what is the fees and how you can enroll. And or you want to ask me anything else for NIFT, NID, UCEED or any private college, you can ask me in my number. Just WhatsApp me, message me, write your name and state and ask me anything. So now how to do the UCEED and CEED exam? What is the pattern? And let us discuss about that. So UCEED and CEED, it's like UCEED is the undergrad's plan and CEED is a postgrad plan. First of all, for UCEED, you can only apply for twice. There are many people who are very confused in that also. You can only apply twice. That doesn't mean you can, if you've not applied, you can apply twice. No. If you are in 12th, that time you can apply, or after 12th. That means you have passed your 12th on 25th, then only you can apply. If you passed your 12th on 24 or 23 or 22, then you cannot apply for UCEED. For CEED also, there is like you have to graduate in a certain time, and then you have to have the graduation. Normally, either you're completing or you've already completed, then you can apply for CEED. So this is what the criteria for the admission process. Now, CEED and UCEED exam pattern, the first paper, which is on 18th January, is almost similar. There will be a part A and there will be a part B. What is part A? Part A is a theory exam. So it is only theory exam where you will get different types of questions related with math, logical reasoning, English and other things, general knowledge, current affairs, all these things which are there. And of course, there are many more things which are there. You can see in the syllabus that will come in this paper. Now, this paper is computerized. That means whenever you're going for the center, you will given a computer and you have to answer there. You will not given a paper or pen or something you can answer there. No, it is a computerized paper. So you have to answer in that. Normally, nowadays I don't think so. Anybody who are in the school or in right now they are just doing school, they don't know computer. That doesn't happen. It is not a possibility. So everybody knows how to use computer, how to do the exam in computer. So I think so it is easy for everyone. Now the second paper is the drawing paper. That is the part B for both UCEED and CEED. It is the part B. Now this paper for UCEED you will have 2 questions. For CEED there will be more questions. So this is of course your creativity, your memory drawing, your visualization. All these things matters. Again, perspective is very important. There will be a perspective questions. There will be design question. So you have to be very good in drawing to complete. Have a good hand of drawing so that you can compete in this exam. So now what is part A? I have said what is part B, you know. But the big catch is if you don't get good marks in part A, like you don't cut off, they will not see your part B if you have not crossed the cutoff of part A. So you have to do very well in part A also. So if you don't cross the cutoff of part A, then your part B, what you've done, maybe you're very good in part B, then also your marks will not be counted for part B and you will not get the rank. So you have to be very good in theory, both in drawing, because what is drawing is doing is they're improving your rank. So what is part A doing is giving you the opportunity that they to improve your you get your rank. So both are very, very important. So please start working for your exam. So for UCEED and CEED, this is same. So after they've crossed the part A cutoff, then they will see the part of part B, and then you will get the rank. So rank wise, what happens? They will be calling you when you have got the good rank for UCEED. Then you will get admission in IIT and all that. And if you don't get so much good rank, but you've got rank, but then also you might get in some other college. There is a list. There are many different colleges list. There are many private colleges list also. But for any private colleges, when you are applying for private college, even if you you've got the rank in UCEED, you have to fill the form again for the private college, and again you will have to give a interview and the portfolio round, which is for undergrads also. But if you are going for IIT only, then you don't need any portfolio or interview round. It is direct. But for masters, like you're given the CEED exam for anywhere, like for government also and for private also, both the places, you have to have a portfolio and the interview process you have to give. So even if you cross 2 IITs, so you have to go both the IITs differently and give the exam for both the IITs, the interview and the portfolio round. So this happens for CEED students. And if you are going for private college, of course you are going for both the interview and the portfolio round, which is for both UCEED and CEED, both are same. So this actually I think it is very important to know that how you are going for the exam, what is the pattern. So all the students who are preparing for UCEED or CEED, they mostly are very confused about the exam pattern, about the how you can apply or not, all these things. So I think after seeing this video from starting to end, I think most of your problems must have been solved. After that also, even if you have any other problem, just WhatsApp me in my number. You can ask me anything, then I will, if I know, I will try to help you. And of course, our crash course is going on for 3 months. Crash course is going on. So if you have not joined any class, I will advise you to join the classes, and you can join my class or any other class which you are comfortable, it's nearby you, or you can join my online class also. And if you want to join my class, then just WhatsApp me in my number, and then you can ask me the detail of the classes. I will give you all the details of the classes. and of course I will teach myself. So if you are ready to learn from me, join my classes. So I think this video is very important for all the students who are giving UCEED or CEED. So do like and share. If you are come first time in this channel, do subscribe us. We will meet you with lots of more videos. Bye for today.